Now in previous lectures we have talked about the light, what is light and its aspects related with the light. Now here we are going to discuss what the light which we are going to discuss in physics. Means in physics there is a branch which we call it as an optics, branch of physics which deals with the study of nature, production and propagation of light. So optics is divided into two types. One is ray optics and another one is wave optics. Now if we go through the ray optics, here we are going to study the rectilinear propagation of light. Rectilinear propagation of light. Then we will be talking about the reflection, phenomena of reflection and refraction. This will come in this. In wave optics, we are talking about the interference, polarization. As we come to understand, the light is having a wave nature. So here we are going to discuss interference, polarization and diffraction also. So the ray optics which basically deal with the rectilinear propagation of light. We will be talking about the reflection, refraction, phenomena of refraction and the laws which are related to it. Here we will be going to talk about the wave optics. So first we will go through the optics, in which we are going to take first part, that is rectilinear propagation of light. Okay, so here first of all we are going to discuss the phenomena which is taking place when the light is traveling from one medium to another medium. Okay, so what happens? So if we are taking one medium like this, okay, here suppose the light rays is traveling like this. What happens? When light rays incident on this, some part of it get bounced back in a certain direction. Some light rays which is deviated from its original path, that we will be calling it as a refraction. So here what is happening, when the light traveling from one medium to another medium, what is happening? First the reflection is there, एक तो रिफ्लेक्शन हो रहा, दूसरा जो है रिफ्रैक्शन हो रहा है. मीन्स लाइट क्या हो रहा है, ट्रेवल कर रहा है, एक मीडियम से दूसरे मीडियम में जा रहा है और दूसरे मीडियम में जाने के बाद when it is traveling into another medium, ये अपने पाथ से deviate हो रहा है. And third thing is happening, some part is getting absorbed over here also. So there are three phenomena which are taking place when the light is traveling from one medium to another medium. When it strikes, some part is getting reflected. That phenomena we will be calling it as a reflection. Another one, the light rays which must travel in a straight line. इसको सीधे एक straight path में जाना चाहिए, पर ये straight path में न जाते हुए अपने path से deviate हो रहा है, और deviate हो रहा है तो इस phenomena को हम reflection कह रहे हैं. And some part is getting absorbed there. Okay, so here first of all we will go with the reflection of light. Okay, so first phenomenon which we are going to take here, it is reflection of light. In reflection of light, we will be having some terminology. इसमें हमारे को कुछ टर्मिनोलॉजी यूज करना रहेगी। वो टर्मिनोलॉजी क्या क्या होगी हम देखते हैं। ये एक आपकी सरफेस है, सरफेस विच वी आर हैविंग लाइक दिस, और ये लाइट रेज स्ट्रेट ट्रेवल कर रहा है। इस लाइट रेज को हम कह सकते हैं इंसिडेंट रे। Incident ray, and the light rays which is traveling in another medium, in another direction, ये दूसरा जो रे है इसको हम कहेंगे रिफ्लेक्टेड रे। और यहां पर एक we are taking a normal will be always perpendicular, this we call it as a normal, और ये normal जो होगा it will be always perpendicular to the reflecting surface। ठीक है, तो यहां पे हमने सबसे पहले एक इंसिडेंट रे टर्मिनोलॉजी डिफाइन कर दी। अब इंसिडेंट रे क्या है? द लाइट रे इंसिडेंट ऑन द सरफेस इज नोन एज इंसिडेंट रे, इसको हम कह सकते हैं। अब रिफ्लेक्टेड रे, द लाइट रे traveling after striking over the surface। Normal which we have already defined it, reflecting surface. So basically, simply we can say the phenomena of bouncing back of light, phenomena of bouncing back of light, of ray of light, is known as reflection। So here what we have got, simple definition, reflection of light again, phenomenon bouncing back of ray of light is known as reflection। अब यहां देखें कि जो इंसिडेंट रे इट इज मेकिंग सम एंगल, इसको आई से डिनोट कर सकते हैं, और इसका नाम हम दे सकते हैं एंगल ऑफ इंसिडेंस। एंगल ऑफ इंसिडेंस means simply we can divide it, the angle the incident ray max with normal is known as एंगल ऑफ इंसिडेंस। नो, यहाँ पे थोड़ा सा हमको ये ध्यान रखना है कि ये वाला एंगल जो सरफेस के साथ बन रहा है इसको एंगल ऑफ इंसिडेंस नहीं कहेंगे। एंगल ऑफ इंसिडेंस कौन सा एंगल है? जो किसके साथ बन रहा है? नॉर्मल के साथ। और ये नॉर्मल जो है इस रिफ्लेक्टिंग सरफेस के साथ हमेशा 90 डिग्री का एंगल बनाएगा, परपेंडिकुलर होगा। ठीक है, तो यहाँ पे आई जो है, I is denoted for angle of incidence, for angle of incidence। So we have got another terminology, we have already got the incident ray, we have got this reflected ray, we have got the normal. Now another terminology which we must need to understand the reflection उनको रिफ्लेक्शन को समझने के लिए एक जो दूसरा एंगल है यहाँ पे जो नॉर्मल के साथ में रिफ्लेक्टेड रे बना रहा है आर जो, तो हम इसको कहेंगे एंगल ऑफ रिफ्लेक्शन, एंगल ऑफ रिफ्लेक्शन। ठीक है, तो एंगल ऑफ रिफ्लेक्शन के लिए हमारी डेफिनेशन हो जाएगी द रिफ्लेक्टेड रे makes an angle with normal is known as angle of reflection. The angle of reflection is denoted by R small. So here we have got the terminology incident ray, reflected ray, normal, and we already studied it in previous classes, but we must remember it again. Now here we are going to discuss the law of reflection. Here, law of reflection, which is a simple one and important also. Incident ray, reflected ray, and normal must be at the same point and at the same plane. The incident ray normal and reflected ray must be at the same point and plane. Okay. Now second, there are two parts of law of reflection. One, एक पार्ट ये है कि इंसिडेंट रे, नॉर्मल एंड रिफ्लेक्टेड रे मस्ट बी एट द सेम पॉइंट एंड प्लेन. Another one, now we have got this angle of incidence and angle of reflection. तो ये कहता है, it states that the angle of incidence is equal to the angle of reflection. Angle of reflection. So यहाँ पे हम देखें एंगल ऑफ इंसिडेंस नॉर्मल के साथ में, रिफ्लेक्टेड रे नॉर्मल के साथ में एंगल बना रही है आर, तो द एंगल ऑफ इंसिडेंस इज इक्वल टू द एंगल ऑफ रिफ्लेक्शन, I is equal to R. Is it clear? Okay. ये होगा आपका I equals to R.